Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you my sleek low ponytail, and I'm going to be using some of this Cream of Nature styling snot. I've been hearing some good things about it, so I'm going to check it out. Thank you guys once again for watching. Don't forget to watch all the way to the end. Leave some comments on some videos you would like to see me do down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so I was really shocked on how sleek it got my hair off the bat though. Like, I didn't even have to add extra product from what you just saw me add. Usually I have to use a lot of product to really sleek my thick hair down. So this was a win for me just from there. So guys, this was a win for me. Thumbs up on this product. It really sleeks your hair down very well. I wouldn't recommend it for your edges though. I didn't like it for my edges. It made my edges very hard and flaky. So I ended up using my regular edge control. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Go.